In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on DRM protection in Opera GX browser. If you're having trouble playing protected content on certain streaming websites or online media platforms, enabling DRM protection in Opera GX may help. DRM, or Digital Rights Management, allows supported websites to securely play protected audio and video content. Opera GX includes this feature in its settings, and turning it on only takes a few moments. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can enable it with confidence. To get started, launch the Opera GX browser on your computer and wait for it to finish loading. Once the browser is open, look toward the lower left corner of the window where you'll find the Settings gear icon. Click on the Settings gear to open the browser's settings page. This is where you can customize a wide variety of Opera GX features, including privacy, security, appearance, and content permissions. After the settings page opens, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Privacy and Security. This section contains important options that control how Opera GX handles website permissions, browsing protection, and other security-related features. Once you've opened Privacy and Security, continue by clicking Site Settings. Inside the Site Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Additional Content Settings section. Click on Additional Content Settings to expand the available options. This section contains extra permissions that aren't displayed in the main list, including the settings related to protected content. Next, look for the option labeled Protected Content ID and click on it. This page allows you to control how websites access and play DRM-protected media. Under the Behaviors section, you'll see an option that says, Sites can play protected content. Make sure the radio button next to this option is selected. When this option is enabled, Opera GX allows compatible websites to play protected media content. You'll also see another option that allows sites to recognize your device using a protected content identifier. If you want to enable this functionality as well, simply make sure its radio button is also selected. Some websites may require this additional setting to properly verify your device before allowing protected content to play. Once both of these options are enabled, DRM protection is turned on in Opera GX. You can now close the settings page and continue browsing as usual. If you visit a supported website that uses DRM-protected media, the browser will now be ready to handle that content according to your selected settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,